everyone, it's Mio, and today I have a really cute crafting tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make this cute Jelly World aquarium, and this has my little own spin to it. Instead of using the little figurines that came with the kit, I decided to make my own figurines, and as you can see, they're cute little bears holding balloons and they're floating up to the sky. Now this is going to be a two-part video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put the Jelly World aquarium together and how I made the clouds. In the second video, I'll show you how I made the little bears holding balloons and how you can reuse these little figurines to make a different type of figurine. So here I put my little bears and clouds together to form a figurine outside of the aquarium that you can put on your desk or put it in your room somewhere for decorations or gift as a friend. It's really cute and I really loved how it turned out. So again, this is going to be a two-part video and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now, if you'd like more videos like these, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more stuff that I've created, you can follow me on Instagram. My account name is Flying Medio, and it has pictures of things that I've created in the past and things that I haven't posted. Or if you just want more updates in general, you can follow my personal Instagram account, is Keep Blushing, just to have general looks of things that's going on in my current life. All right, let's go ahead and get this tutorial started. Now you're going to need a Jelly Worldz kit. It comes with everything you need to make this little aquarium here. I bought mine at a local craft store for about $13. And when you open up the box, it will give you instructions and says you're going to need a liter bottle, which I got, and you're going to pour in 2 cups of water in with this little mix packet that it provides you. So I put in 2 cups of water here in the bottle, and I'm going to go ahead and put the magical dust powder that it came with the kit. Now you only get one try on this, and you want to make sure that the water you're using is distilled water. That's very important. It has to be distilled water. Now once you have your mixture, go ahead and shake it up in your bottle until it's homogeneous in one milky colored mixture. Go ahead and pour this mixture inside your little aquarium, and you'll notice that it's not see-through at all. It's very opaque, but you're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes and you'll notice that it'll turn clear. Now again, the key to success here is to have distilled water, and I would say about 5 minutes after you let this sit, you can go ahead and add your food coloring in there. So this kit came with blue food coloring, which is perfect because I want the sky to be blue. I just added half the bottle in there so it has a light blue tinge color. Mix it in and let it sit there for a while. For me, I need it to sit for about 5 hours before it became the consistency I needed. Now, I have my figurines already made here. I have little bears holding balloons, and I also have some clouds already pre-made. I'm going to show you guys how I made the clouds here, and in the next video, I'll show you how I made the cute little bears holding balloons. So to make the clouds, you're going to take some white Fimo clay, and you're going to roll them into different size little spheres. The more you have, the bigger your cloud's going to be. Just make sure that they're different sizes because clouds have different types of shapes. For this cloud in particular, I'm going to put only 4 balls together. So I'm just taking 4 little balls of different sizes and kind of clump them together into the shape that I want. And to smooth out all the edges, I'm just taking this little tool here and I'm kind of mushing the clay together so it looks like it goes in together seamlessly. You don't want there to be any gaps or holes between your clouds because if it does, it looks like you just put a bunch of balls stuck together. So make sure you kind of push the clay together to cover up all the little holes on every angle and every side. So that's pretty much it. You can make your little cloud and they can be different shapes and sizes. Go ahead and put this in the oven for about 20 minutes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit and you'll have your figurine ready. Now for this in particular, the key to putting in your figurines into your little aquarium is to make sure that your aquarium has sit long enough. So this aquarium only sat for about an hour and you can tell that it's not very viscous and the cloud just sinks right to the bottom. And that's because it hasn't had enough time to get the consistency that I want. And I noticed for me that if you just let it sit overnight, it actually gets the consistency that I want it to be so that it will be thick enough and has a gel consistency to hold all my figurines. But I would say about 5 to 6 hours, you'll probably start noticing that the mixture itself is already thick enough. So here, my aquarium sat for about 5 hours and now it's thick enough for me to go ahead and put my bear and clouds into my little aquarium. So this is the best part of the tutorial. You can pretty much put your figurines wherever you want in the aquarium to make it look nice, and you can move it around if you change your mind later. But I'm just using this little purple tool here that came with the kit, and I'm just repositioning the bears where I want them to be. Once you're happy with how your aquarium looks, you can take the lid, seal it, and put this in your room for decorations or just put it out wherever you want. It also makes a really nice gift. So this tutorial is easy enough. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. For more videos like these, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And of course, feel free to check out my social media accounts. My Instagram is more active. You can check me out on Flying Mia, which has more craft tutorials, or my personal account, Keep Blushing, which has just more stuff about my everyday life. Please stay tuned if you're interested in knowing how to make these little bears with balloons. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching and happy crafting. Bye!